Are mortgage rates finally dipping after 5 weeks? That's the question on everyone's mind today. After a steady increase that had potential homebuyers biting their nails, it seems we are finally seeing a slight decrease in long-term mortgage rates. This dip might not be drastic, but it could make a noticeable difference in monthly mortgage payments, giving a glimmer of hope to those who've been eagerly waiting on the sidelines. Moreover, the timing couldn't be more perfect. With the spring season, traditionally a busy time for home sales just around the corner, this drop in rates could incentivize some buyers who might have been hesitant due to affordability concerns. However, let's not forget that despite the recent dip, mortgage rates are still significantly higher than they were a year ago. So, while the dip in rates is welcome, it's important to remember that we're still dealing with a higher rate environment than we were a year ago. But what does this dip in mortgage rates really mean for you, the potential homebuyer? Well, let's break it down. The decrease in rates isn't exactly earth-shattering, but it could make a noticeable difference in your monthly mortgage payments. It might not be a golden ticket into the housing market, but it could provide a small window of opportunity for those who've been waiting for a better chance to make their move. And timing is everything, right? This dip coincides with the traditionally busy spring season for home sales. Lower rates could be just the nudge some hesitant buyers need to get off the fence and into the game. But let's not get too carried away. It's important to remember that, even with this dip, mortgage rates are still significantly higher than they were a year ago. Buying a home will still be more expensive than it was in the recent past. So what's next? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Is this a fleeting moment in the sun or the start of a sustained downward trend in mortgage rates? Factors like inflation and Federal Reserve policy will continue to shape the interest rate landscape. And what do the experts say? Financial gurus are cautiously optimistic. One analyst at a leading financial institution suggests that while it's a welcome development, it's too early to tell if this is a turning point. We'll need to keep a close eye on inflation and the Fed's moves in the coming months. On the other hand, a seasoned mortgage broker advises that, for those ready to buy, now could be a good time to lock in a rate. But remember, it's crucial to shop around and compare rates from different lenders. So, there you have it. A dip in mortgage rates can be a positive sign, but it's not a guaranteed ticket to a home buying spree. The landscape is shifting, and potential homebuyers need to stay nimble. As always, the key is to stay informed and consult with financial professionals to understand your specific options in this shifting mortgage landscape.